G'day Oz ADV, right, I'm going to test out Barry's CFmoto 450 MT. This is brand new. If you want to see more on it, check out his channel, Baz66. Very nice looking bike. Only $9,500 on road here in Australia. Most adventure bikes these days are 20 grand plus. Right, yeah. Very low seat. Oh. Okay, let me see, where's the ignition there? Oh, we're on. Now apparently, hold this. We're on off-road mode. All that clutch is light. Oh, yeah, the clutch is just different to mine. Take a bit of getting used to. It's quite wide at the front here, quite surprising. Just a small looking bike. See what it's like standing up. Not bad, the bars could be a tad higher for me. Yeah, I think the seat height is just a little bit low for me. I'm 6'1". I feel like I'm just sitting a bit too low and my knees are bent quite a lot. Yeah, nice. I don't want to rev it too hard, it's a brand new bike. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about changing the exhaust. It's got a nice note to it, you can hear it, but it is quiet. Which is what you want in an exhaust, you don't want a loud, drony exhaust note. Righto, very nice bike, very impressed with it. So how you liking it so far, Barry?
Yep. Yeah, I find it quite good off-road.
Yeah.
Nice and smooth, I can touch the ground.
Yep, yeah, it felt nice. I'm a bit tall for it, my knees are sort of sticking in here.
Yeah.
And my knees are bent up a fair way, so I'd probably want a taller seat for me.
Yeah, you can get a rally seat.
Yeah, okay.
Bring it up.
Yeah, right, that'd be perfect.
And that would bring your knees probably back here.
Yeah,
right?
yep.
A lot of people are doing that.
Yeah, okay.
And you know, it's only like $200.
Oh, righto. Oh, that's alright, yeah.
Which is a really good price.
Yeah.
Everything is cheap, all the accessories.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Crash bars. I could do crash bars upper and lower for under $300.
Yeah, wow.
It's just a matter of supply at the moment.
Yeah.
Can't get them yet.
Yep.
Yeah, so
Righto.
waiting.
Righto, thanks for the ride. Yeah, very nice. Righto, let's have a look at it in action. Do some off-road riding. We'll see what it's like off-road. I better let Barry do that. I don't want to be the first one to crash it. Whoa! Looks like it jumped all right. Nice big hill coming up.